Okay, so finished the restoration on my 1978 RM400. For those of you that know the RM history, this is the first of the 400s brought out by Suzuki. Prior to that, there was the RM370 was the largest size. They made the 400s for 3 years, 78, 79 and 80. And then they brought out the big fella, the RM500. So normally I like to keep my bikes that I restore stock and original. This one I've done a couple of improvements. The intention with this bike is to race it in the local vintage motocross series. Nothing too serious, just a bit of fun every now and then. Yeah, so a couple of improvements to make it maybe handle a little better, perform a little better and last a bit longer. I've got the Renthal handlebars have gone on it. I'll show in a moment the black XL rims with the stainless steel spokes. They're of course not original on the RM400, but they look very, very nice in my opinion. We've got here the aftermarket silencer, GMC, local Australian company. It's got some improvements to the rear shocks, which are adjustable, rebound and dampening. I'll give you a look at those in a moment. But yeah, that's it. On that, all stock. Engines had a full rebuild. New set of plastics. I couldn't salvage the old plastics, they were too far gone. Tank's original though. Yeah, that's it. All right, I'll give you a look.